Chapter 1, An Introduction to Spreadsheets. We've all seen the Microsoft Excel suite. The X does mark the spot over here. In Microsoft Excel, there are n number of things that you can do. Follow me here into my screen and let me introduce you to this wonderful tool that can help you. Alright? Right at the start, as soon as you open the tool, you'll be able to see a very simple lookout for it. Over here, in the recent workbooks, marked over here, these are topics that you've opened up quite regularly. Microsoft Excel has this amazing tool where it understands what was opened last. It works in a last in first out option, or LIFO as we call it. The newest document is right on top and the oldest right down. Welcome to Chapter 2, Cell Formatting and Alignment. The very crux of the entire data of the worksheet in Excel is based on the information that you put, how you describe it, how you display it. So we're going to move into exactly, we already explained about what cells are. Let's put in some information out there. Alright? So we're going to have, for example, date. I'm going to call it items, and let's say price. Right? As you can see here, I put it in A1, B1, and C1. Hi, welcome to Chapter 3, Advanced Cell Formatting. We've taken the time to break down each and every course or each and every material that we have. It's simply because to give you more power in using Microsoft Excel every day. So I'm going to move into how to explain to you how to use this. Okay? Explained earlier was a simple table that I showed you, right? Where I added the date, I added the items, the price. But what was the first thing that I told you about what Microsoft Excel does? It helps you organize your data. Alright? So we're going to make this a little more fun for us so that it's easier for us itself. So I'm going to show you how to insert a row. So you simply click on the row you want to have and you right click and you say insert. Welcome to Chapter 4, Addition and Subtraction. We've gone through understanding how to use Excel, cells, alignments, keeping tables, keeping them neat and tidy. We're going to go into the functionalities of what Microsoft Excel is. The first topic we're going to take up is addition. We all know that 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6. So what's special about Microsoft Excel? And this is what I'm going to show you right now. So, as I move into my screen, I want you to have a clear mind and understand these very basic formulas that we're going to show you. It's going to help you advance into the complex versions of it, help you in your day-to-day calculations, and I'm also going to show you a few significant ways of doing financial additions. Welcome to Chapter 5, Multiplication and Division. We're covering each topic, and previously we've seen how we added and subtracted in Microsoft Excel and how simple it was. One cell kept over there, and as you kept changing numbers, you would see the value changing. This is what Excel is all about. Needless to say, the effort that used to take in making one small change. I mean, you finance guys or people who do accounting every day know how that one decimal spot changes. But here, Microsoft Excel, in a simple way of typing, makes it simple. So I'm going to move into product, and as you can see on my screen now, we already have our numbers. So I'm going to show you simple product values. Welcome to Chapter 6, B.O.D.M.A.S. We've all heard of this when we were in school, and you're wondering what I'm doing with this in Microsoft Excel. Remember, Microsoft Excel was built on simplicity. Simplicity in means of the basic maths that we learn is what Excel does, but it can do it 10 times faster or 100 times faster. What is B.O.D.M.A.S? Bracket, open, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. What does that mean? It means that if there is a set of formula that is put together and it finds addition, subtraction, multiplication and division together with the bracket, what it will do is first open the brackets, do whatever is there, the calculation that is in the brackets. The next would be division. After that would be multiplication, then addition and subtraction.